Hello, this is Tyler Beamer at Haywood Community College. This video is for Math 152 and 1 Statistical Methods 1. The purpose of this video is to show students how to graph a scatter plot using the TI-84 graphing calculator. As you can see, I have a graphing calculator displayed on my laptop. This was a free download from the Wabbit Emu free downloadable graphing calculator. So if you're a student and you don't have a graphing calculator and you want to download one for free, just Google the Wabbit Emu graphing calculator, and then you'll be able to download it for free. It works great on PC. I've had lots of issues getting it to work on a Mac, so sorry about that. So what I'm going to do is to graph two sets of data. I've got data from hypothetical students, and the two data sets is the hours that the student spent studying for a test and their test grade. So we want to input our data, so we hit Stat and then Enter for edit, and then we want to put our domain or X values in L1, and I've already done that here. So here are the hours that each student spent studying for the test, and then the corresponding test grade in L2, which is the Y coordinates or range value. So essentially we're creating ordered pairs. So this is one student. He or she spent 0.2 hours studying, got a 60. This person spent 0.5 hours studying, got a 50, so on and so forth. Okay. So to create the scatter plot, we want to graph those ordered pairs. So we want to first make sure that our calculator is ready to graph the scatter plot. We want to hit second y equals, and this takes us to the stat plot menu, and we want to make sure that number 1, if I hit enter, that this plot is on, that it's on a scatter plot. We want the X list to be L1, the Y list to be L2, and then I like to use the biggest mark so I can see it. So you may need to fix that on your calculator to make sure that that is set to the appropriate settings. Okay. Alright, then to actually display the scatter plot graph, we want to go to Zoom, and then we want to go down to Zoom 9, which is Zoom Stat, since we are graphing some statistical information. Hit enter, and then basically the graphing calculator will change the window size for each axis so that our data points can be graphed. As you can see, we've got a positive correlation here. So as the number of hours that a student's been studying for the test increases, their test grade also increases. Who would have thought? So that is how we graph a scatter plot using the TI-84 graphing calculator. Feel free to use this information to help you complete assignments in this class and other classes in the future. Thank you very much.